Welcome to BOC. This film is designed to help you weld safely, get the best possible results, as well as save you time and money. So whether you're just starting out on your career, already use welding in your workplace but want to achieve far more, or just want to get started, this video is for you. We're focusing on mag welding some mild steel, a typical workshop task, offering useful hints and tips, and all with one goal in mind: getting the job done right and first time. This film is focused upon the personal protective equipment that you will need to help keep you safe during your weld. Wearing the right clothing and equipment for mag welding is not only essential for your safety, it can also have a big effect on whether you achieve a successful weld. Being comfortable whilst you are working is key, and having good visibility of the weld area is essential. The right clothing and protective equipment really helps deliver a professional weld. These are just some of the items of personal protective equipment, or PPE for short, which you should be using to remain comfortable and safe. We'll start with the boots, which should have reinforced steel toe caps. A wide range of specialist welders' boots are available with features including extra cushioning, as well as the use of fire retardant and waterproof materials. And a good starting point is to visit BOC's online shop and explore the right option for you. Your overalls are a vital PPE consideration. As well as being the correct fit so that you remain comfortable, they should also be made from an approved flame retardant material. A general overall without this feature does not offer you the same level of protection. Flame retardant overalls can be identified by this label, and when purchasing overalls, you should be clear that you need them for welding. Your welding gloves should be made from leather, not cotton, which is flammable, and you should ensure they are the correct fit for your hands. An ideal welding glove not only offers protection, but should ensure your hand has plenty of flexibility and is kept warm. Again, BOC can offer a range of options for you. The right helmet, designed specifically for welding, is also a priority, to ensure the best possible protection from harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation, as well as giving you the ability to clearly see the work you are doing. Your helmet should also be approved to EN 175 and E379 standards, and this should be clearly displayed on the product. There are several features we recommend you should look out for. Firstly, ensure the helmet always fits comfortably before you begin welding. Adjustable padded straps will allow you to make sure it is not too tight or loose and offer an extra degree of comfort. We would also suggest investing in a helmet rather than a handheld screen, as both your hands are free whilst welding and you can use a free hand to steady yourself. A helmet that allows you to adjust the darkness of the lens to get the correct shade for the environment you are working in and the type of weld you are performing is an excellent option. For the arc process we'll be performing, the eye shade should be set for 10 to 11 for optimum protection. Another feature is flame retardant head protection, which can either be a specialist welding cap or a hood. Being fully protected whilst welding should mean that there are no areas of exposed skin to protect you from both sparks and any forms of radiation. Check that you have successfully done this before starting your weld. Fully protected with the right clothing and helmet, we are ready to weld. Next up, we need to set up our welding machine with the correct settings to achieve the best possible weld. Don't forget, ensure you have the correct PPE. Always wear flame retardant overalls, use welding gloves made from leather, wear welding boots rather than general footwear, a helmet that conforms to current regulations. Helmets with adjustable lenses are the best option.